Within the Smart Delta Resources platform, industrial companies in the Delta region work together to reduce CO2 emissions by 90%. To achieve this goal, a roadmap has been developed, consisting of projects that organize the infrastructure based on the industrial production processes and product flows in the region, creating new opportunities to make manufacturing more sustainable. For example, the electricity infrastructure is enhanced to enable the transport of renewable electricity generated by wind farms on the North Sea to the companies. In addition, the electricity network will be strengthened by the large-scale electrification of the industry. A large part of the hydrogen production, which is currently powered by natural gas, will also be replaced by a flexible form of hydrogen production via electrolysis, based on renewable electricity. In order to get this hydrogen to the companies, a regional hydrogen network will be built. These steps will result in a significant reduction in CO2 emission. However, the remainder will have to be reduced by means of CO2 capture and storage, and CO2 capture and utilization. This last form is the focus of the Steel to Chemicals project, which uses the CO or CO2 emissions from steel production as raw material for the chemical industry. For CO2 capture and storage, a regional CO2 network will be built to transport the CO2 to Rotterdam, where it will connect to the CCS infrastructure to empty gas fields in the North Sea, possibly in collaboration with the manufacturing industry in Antwerp. Another project concerns the development of an alternative to the fossil raw material position of the SDR companies, which is mostly petroleum-based. In this process, waste plastics are repurposed as raw materials. For the companies in West-Brabant, research is being carried out into whether ultra-deep geothermal energy is a solution for their heat demand. Finally, the SDR companies want to implement heat pump technology to increase efficiency and replace natural gas with renewable electricity. The SDR companies would like to get started on these projects, but can't do it on their own, also because they are not profitable under the current economic circumstances. The challenges are huge, and the projects can only succeed if we all work together. That is why we want to work together with governments, network companies, and other partners to realize these projects and ultimately achieve a CO2 neutral industry in the Delta region.